A vulnerable Assyrian population remained in Iraq, despite the decades of persecution. In 2003, the population of Assyrians in Iraq was substantial, totaling 1.5 million, which made up roughly 8% of the Iraqi population. Since the recent Iraq War, however, these numbers have dwindled. The war was devastating for the Assyrians. They were caught in the midst of sectarian violence. Between 2004 and 2014, a total of 118 churches have been attacked or bombed. During this time, fundamentalist Muslim codes have also been forced upon Assyrians and the other minorities. The situation for Assyrians and other Christians gradually worsened in Syria during this time. Today, Friday, April 24th, marks exactly 2 years since the kidnapping of 2 archbishops in Syria. Syriac Orthodox Archbishop Mark Gregorius Johanna Ibrahim and Greek Orthodox Archbishop Volios Yarzegi were kidnapped in 2013 by a fundamental Islamic group. The kidnapping took place on the road from Aleppo to the Turkish border. The driver was murdered on the spot, and the 4th passenger managed to escape unharmed. To date, we have yet to learn of their whereabouts or of their fate. There have been no confirmation of life or death since their kidnapping. Thank you.